Good day everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do Dr. Adasa's assignment. So the first thing is open any browser of your choice and type in Word online and click on the first link that appears. So if you have not signed in to your account, it will appear here that you have to sign in. Then you click on sign in inside. But if you have signed in into your account, you can just create a blank document. So after creating the blank document, you have to look for your topic. If you remember, you have written on your lesson planner and you have a week. So for instance, mine is week 18 and I have chose this one, robotic construction designing stable structures. So this is the content lesson. So this is the content. So you have to write everything on Word Online. So I have a copy of it. I have done mine already. So this is it. So this is mine. I have all the contents. So when you are done typing your own, you can share it. From here, you can click on the share icon and share. And you type in Dr. Adda's email here in this place and you click on send. This is the first one. The second one, when you are done with this, you can download a copy of this. Click on what? Create a copy, download a copy. So download a copy. Download my content. What is this? So this is your document. You can download the document. You're going to use it later. So just click on download. So I've downloaded the file already. Now the second step is you have to create a PowerPoint. So you click on this menu here and select PowerPoint. Now with the PowerPoint, you have to convert your lesson plan into a presentation. So you're just going to take the relevant points and just state them. And in a place where it requires a picture, you have to insert the picture. You can see this is mine. I have created mine already. So you can click on create blank presentation. But for this example, I'm going to use mine because I've done mine already. So I'm going to open it. So this is how it's going to be. You choose your topic, just highlight the relevant points, the one that's very important, and you can insert a picture if you want. So you can just come to insert picture from this device, or you can use the stock images. When you are done with your presentation, the same process again, click on share, and type in Dr. Adda's email here and click on send to receive the documents. Also, you have to download this presentation. So you can come here, create a copy, download a copy, download it. So it is downloaded, it's about 14 megabytes. So you have downloaded. So you have finished with the second step. Now the third step is the Outlook. So I'm going to do one example and you can follow the rest. So I click on Outlook, just wait for it to load. Sign in. Use my email to sign in. You can use your email as well. So I'm going to receive a code. I'll be respecting around time to check my phone. You can create your own email, okay? Or you can use your personal email. So when you are done with the process, look at this menu over here. Click on calendar. You're going to create a new calendar. So add calendar, create a blank calendar. Now give it a name. So you can give it your class name. Mine is Tel. So you can add your index number as a reference and you save it. Close this window. You come to your calendars. You see that your calendars appeared here. So move the main calendar and this is yours. So you have to populate this calendar. So you see this is the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So these are the days of the week, 5 days of the week. And this is the time here. So you have 6 p.m., 8 p.m. So on Monday, if you have a class from 7 to 10, you come here, this is 7 a.m. So you click, double click, add the title of the course. For instance, on Monday, I don't have 7 to 10, but I'm just giving an example. So I have computer instruction. Add the course code if you want. I'm not sure. Then the next step is you have to set the time. What time are you starting? You're starting from what? 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So 3 hours. And you click on this. It's reoccurring every Monday. So you click on it and it says every Monday. Until when? When are we stopping lectures? So you can go back. I think 7th August. So 7 August. When you are done, you come for the location. Where are you having your lectures? Okay, so I don't want to use this one. Where are you having your lectures? For instance, I'm having mine at what? I'm having mine at Adasa. Third floor, room 4. So this is when you are done, click on save. Your file has been saved. So for Monday, you have from 7 to 10. If you have from 10 to 1, you click on 10 and you write the course title, and you follow the same process. And you come to the next day, you do the same thing. If you have 7 to 10 on Tuesday, click and you add the course title, the location. If you have 2 to 5, you scroll down 2 to 5, the same thing you add, and you follow the same process. When you are done, you can click on share and you select the calendar that you want to share. So you are sharing this calendar and you type in the person's email. That's going to be Dr. Adasa's email. So you type his email and you click on share, right? So for instance, I'm sending it to myself. Select, don't have permission, okay? Okay, so I can just share with the person and then I'll get access to it. So he will get access to it. So you have to type in Dr. Adasa's email and send it to him. After that, if you go to the next step, that is the Pear Deck. So just type Pear Deck, click on the first link that appears. With this one, you have to sign in. So you can accept or reject cookies. So I'm accepting them. So I have to sign up. I don't have an account, so I have to sign up first. So I'm going to sign up with Google, which is very easy. I will type in my email. It's already here. Just continue. So we are creating a Pear Deck. So get started and agree and create accounts. So you sign up again with your Google account. So as a teacher, I'm using my account. Let's accept and continue. Okay. So select everything and continue. Now with this step, you have to type in the postal code. So you can type any postal code, PP 301, and type the name of your school. That is what. So you get started with premium. So with this one, we are going to convert curriculum material because we have our own lesson. We just want to convert it to Pear Deck. So I click on this one. I sign in again. I just signed up. We just continue. Sorry, but they don't have access to the screen. I don't know why. So click on the convert curriculum material. Select your grade. So SS1, SS2, SS3. So mine is SS1. And the subject, we are doing computing, but I don't see any computing here. So I'm just going with science and technology. And here you are going to upload your file. That's the Word document that you have. So that's the lesson content. So you just click on downloads, the file that I have downloaded. So it is here. So we are going to convert it to Pear Deck. So it's going to take time. So just wait for it to finish. Be patient and wait. So we have about 16 slides. So we are going to open it and let's copy it to our Google Drive. Copy it to Google Drive. So make a copy. So this is our presentation. So we have to make it interactive. But first you have to change the name maybe to your index number for recognition. So write my name so that I can get my own credits. So name it using your name hyphen or dash index number. So you have to make it interactive. So on the right section, you can see convert it to a video. So convert to a video and click on convert. So it will take time and it will convert your slides to a video. So just be patient and wait. It's going to take about 3 or 4 minutes and it will generate. So include AI, voice, script, background, music, animation, blah, blah, blah. Just click on next. So you can make some changes if you want. Narrator, teacher, educator. You can see the one that you just like. So I'm just going to use that. And I'm going to do this. And I'm going to create the video. So wait for it to be created. And now your video is ready. You can preview the video if you want. So I can play it.
Welcome to this video on designing stable structures, where we will explore the essential concepts of mass and the center of gravity. In this video, we will learn how to
and you click on share, but you said that there's a tablet and it has been locked. So you have to unlock it. So you click on share. Anyone with the link will be able to have access. So don't restrict anyone. Anyone with the link can have access. And you type Dr. Adasa's email here and send it. So I'm just going to send it to myself. And you can add a message. You can add your name, index number, but the file is already in your name. So you just click on send. And he will receive. Now, the last thing is the NearPod. So you open your browser, type NearPod, and click. So with this one, we are going to sign up. So we are going to sign up for free. So still, I'm just going to use my Google account. Just use your Google account for everything. It's very easy and simple. Click on continue. All right. Just accept terms and conditions and continue. So with this one, just select Ghana. So just type Ghana. And your school is not going to be listed. So let's try a step. So just choose my school is not listed and you're not associated with the school. Just continue. You just want to have access to the platform. So with this one, you can create your lesson from scratch the same way you have created the one on PowerPoint, or you can just upload a lesson. So I'm just going to upload a lesson. And yeah, I'm going to upload it from here. So PowerPoint. So let me use this person's on, and you can choose upload it as PowerPoint or as images. So let me use as images. So it's going to be created very soon. So file processing, sit back and relax, okay? Just wait, it's working right now. So this is my presentation. You can see the images, video, everything. So you have to make it a little bit interesting. So add questions with AI. I think there was so multi-choice question. So you have to type in the questions that you want. So what am I going to type? So yes, this AI you can type your questions here and add them to your presentation. And after that, you click save and exit. You can even name your file. Click on share. With this thing, you just copy the link and you go back to your Outlook file. Where is my Outlook? Yes, just come here. Go to your email, new email to whom? Dr. Adasa. And subject you can add your name and this number and then paste the link of the NearPod here and you send it to him. Now, if you want to attach the other files, so you're going to attach your click on attach, browse this, and insert your document. So your Word document is here, and you do the same for the PowerPoint too. And when you are done, you click on send. And yeah, that is it. So just follow this simple process and do your work. I hope this information has helped. Thank you so much.